So I'm intrigued, Richard, about how pressure testing or decision games work within the pharmaceutical sector, because it's not an area we've ever really touched before. I'm just wondering how they're set up, what they deliver, and some of the, if you like, lessons that we can use to draw it across into other sectors.
Wow, big question. Okay, so I would say that one of the things that has become more common in recent times has been the fact that the pharmaceutical industry has faced changes it's never faced before. So it has these disruptors where the market has the possibility of changing quite quickly and quite significantly. So we've all heard of Amazon. They're entering the pharmaceutical life sciences space. We've all heard of Alphabet, Google, Calico. These are entering the pharmaceutical space.
Okay.
And that's profound, right? Because if you're the CEO of a business, you're used to dealing with traditional competitors, new kinds of drugs coming out, the lawmakers making some changes to the laws. But when someone with that much money and with that different capability set comes into your space, it throws up all sorts of questions and makes management quite uneasy and uncertain about how their market, where they've been playing for years, their backyard is really profoundly changing, and they don't know what to do about it, and so they're very uncertain and they're very anxious. And so gaming has a role in that, because there are many different types of games, but one of the things that management are doing is they're beginning to try and imagine the future with these new players in it, and with artificial intelligence as another kind of driver in the marketplace. Trying to imagine how that might be. They try and totally immerse themselves in what they understand to be a likely outcome for that. And they ask themselves big questions like, why are Amazon coming in? Where do they see the money in this industry?
Right.
Where can we make some profit in this new supply chain, new value chain? So these kinds of games, I think, are what I would call surrogate scenario analysis, trying to imagine a future for the drug companies then to ask themselves, well, where is the money in that future, and what do we need to do to become compelling players in that marketplace? So that's a very new kind of game versus the more traditional game, which has been really about how do we beat our competitors, how do we beat this new entrant, how do we protect our position in this particular therapy area.